Good morning, it's Jim Grieve, the CEO of RTOERO. I'm talking to you at a time in my backyard where we're physically distancing, but man, we're trying to stay socially connected. This is specific to those of you in the education sector, whether it's early years or K-12 or post-secondary, who are thinking of retiring in the next few years, even this year. Part of the difficulty is getting enough information and having it available to you when you need it. You need to know about financial planning. You need to know whether you can afford to retire. You certainly want to know about your pension. And even more important than anything, you want to know about what health benefits RTOERO has in its plan for you. We offer now a complete range of retirement planning workshops. In fact, we have about 40 of them planned this spring. You just simply need to go to our website, RTOERO.ca, and at the top of the page you'll see the term Retirement Planning Workshop. Click on that and you will find the workshops, the virtual workshops. They run during the day, they run in the evenings, and they run on weekends. And the nice thing about registering for one of these is when it's all finished, and it takes about 90 minutes, there's a lot of information on this. When it's all finished, we'll send you a copy of it so you can go back and review the pieces that you may have interest in. You also need to know that immediately after you've had that information, you and the cardinal that's chirping above my head can actually sign up for free membership until you retire. So stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll look forward to seeing you and welcoming you absolutely to the districts that abound right across the country for RTOERO. We're a national bilingual country, and our retirement planning workshops are either in French or in English, your choice. Take care.